Communication. Communication is important in every part of life. It helps us connect with others and understand each other. Without good communication, it's hard to build strong relationships. It helps us express our ideas and share feelings in a clear way. There are different types of communication. Verbal is when we speak to someone. It's the most common way to share ideas. Nonverbal is body language, gestures, and facial expressions. These can say a lot without words. Good communication is about listening, not just talking. When you listen, you understand better and show respect to others. It's important to pay attention to both words and actions. In the digital world, we also communicate online. Emails, text messages, and social media help us stay in touch. But face-to-face conversations are still very important. They allow us to connect more deeply. Effective communication builds trust and makes people feel valued. It's essential for working together and solving problems. Next time you talk to someone, focus on clear and kind communication. It can make a big difference in your relationships.